Yeah, today is started out beautiful, and 70, I think 3 degrees this morning. It was outside, and my loyal companion, he always likes following me if I was up above him, so he would just stop and wait. Oh, that's a good boy. That's good clearance at him. Then his little sidekick usually follows me too. Mini dog. You gotta stay out there, buddy. Be right back for him. If you can't see, there's parts right here. As soon as I open this door, you could probably see some of these parts that I've been tearing apart: the Ranger, the battery alternator, and the air compressor, which you can see all the green stuff flying out. All the CO2 fumes and crap got all over my face and everything, but whatever. It's a 2000 3.0 liter. I disconnected pretty much everything. An electrical component, pulley, a whole bunch of other stuff on here. Trying to rip out this water pump. I'm gonna have to try to remember how to rip out this this big major component. Wait a minute, let me put the phone down. Put this up. There is a bolt back down right here that's closer to this stupid pulley, and I don't have the tools that I had previously because somebody apparently stole them, so I can't get that bolt. If you can see down here, if you can see it, this is it down right here in that hole. And then, which is causing this one to bind up right there. And that's the last two. I hold this water pump in place. I can pull that out with this fan, rip this son of a dick out of here, basically. And then, leave the radiator here. If I had to rip this radiator out, then I'll rip it out. I don't care. Then I had to disconnect this power steering, reservoir, everything else, and I will say, don't put those stupid stop leak shit in your fucking vehicle, because this is what it does. See all that nice good corrosion shit? There's a ton of it on that one. Also, it's hard to get off your hands. See, like this one. This was probably around this color right here, and now it's corroded, and you can actually see right in these grooves, it's all screwed in it, gummed up. After I can get all this shit out, because I got a bolt right here out. I don't know, there's another one back on the back side. No. Out of there. It's only this long one that's going in this way, and I don't have any other way to get the damn thing off. Next thing, if I can get that off, I had to get this exhaust pipe manifold right back down in there. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go. We're focusing. Okay, there we go. And rip that out. There's gonna be another one on the other side as well. My starter is directly right underneath here, This is it right down here. It's way down there. Gonna rip that thing out. Take all this other wiring crap, which is this your electrical, which is this one right here. I pull this out pretty much. Get all this crap out of my way. So that ties in back into this one. This one goes up to here. So after I disconnect all that stuff from the starter, I pull it back up. Just leave it right in this general area. Excuse me. There's a pain in the ass to get to this one. I already know it. And question of a doubt how to get it off. And if I can get it off, I can move this thing out of the way. This won't be a problem. There's no other ones here. Just except for this one down right here on this level right down here. Other than that, I guess I will keep you guys posted. And some people told me I should disconnect this and rip this airbox out to get it out, and then clean this radiator thing, because you can see it's all nasty as fucking there. I gotta clean all that shit off, get it all clean, or that somehow to figure out how to take it all apart, dismantle it, clean it out, or I could put my hand in there and scrub the shit out of it. Who knows? Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna have to, take this water pump out. And I was sitting here trying to get this stupid thing free, and apparently it won't come free. I was thinking of another thing. These are the same type of bolts on one side. There's bolts inside of here, but I could always probably try to take these bolts off and see if it will slide out. And then if it does, then I just gotta get this thing back straight, the shroud, and angle it down and then out this way. At the same time, I'll pull it out. And fucking fan will be out of the way at least. And I can get this stupid serpentine built off all the way and just pull it out. Same way. Little doggies. Hello, doggies. Oh, what is it? Get it. Get it. I'm gonna bark at everything anyway. Stupid dog that's up that way always lives to fucking come down here and try to attack your ass. Probably will in a minute. I'm gonna have to probably yell at it. Anyway. So, if I can get that thing free, undo all those bolts and stuff in there, get it nice and free, and then another thing, I gotta get this thing undone. Gotta pull this out somehow and get this stupid little thing off right here, rip it out, put it out of the way. There's a whole bunch of other crap that I had to do right now to this thing to just get it basically free. And I'll probably try that later on, that fan fully. Paul, come back to you guys then. And after I maybe take that off, get it all free and everything, pull it out, probably let you guys know, keep you posted on that end, and then start taking all this other shit off. Just basically exposing the whole entire engine bay here. I'm gonna have to take everything basically off, get it out of the way, and yeah, pretty much go from there. And then we can, keep on moving. I'll take apart this truck. This truck will be nice and good, and hopefully it runs again after I put the new engine in. I put that new engine in. Hopefully this fucking rolling turd, I say, fucking run again. And there's, your upper and lower, radiator and everything else. Alright. I'll catch you all later. And, I would appreciate if somebody who knows how to do stuff, like engine work and stuff, just let me know in the comments down below, and at least send me what you think about it. Catch you guys later, and have a good day. Anybody from Texas, say howdy y'all, and goodbye.